Finally, guys, another video that you've all been waiting for. I'm back in sunny Florida. It's hot as, I'm not gonna curse. Started to learn and stop myself before doing it. I've actually finally gotten used to tripping over 10 guns and fighting 8 alligators on my way to the mailbox every morning. And I've actually got a little bit of a tan for once. I mean, that's unusual because usually I'm in Sweden and we never see the sun. On today's schedule, I'm gonna unbox some goodies that we've got for the Mercedes Benz AMG. And we're probably gonna have to head to, I'm thinking Home Depot today. I'm gonna pick up some bolts and nuts. Maybe that was a little hint, so maybe you have a hunch of what it is that we're doing. And after that, we're gonna go to a yard that I've recently got where my Peterbilt is, or one of them, my Peterbilt 379, which I've been doing a lot of work on recently. So tag along with me today. I'm gonna show you a little bit of everything and what it's like to be in steaming hot Florida, because it's only May, but it's like 35 degrees. It's hot as hell, and the humidity is just way up there. Let's make some breakfast, guys. My very first problem today is I always start these mornings with a little scoop of this stuff. That wasn't really intended to happen, but anyhow, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, and it helps me get through the day. And I've felt like recently, I am not as productive as, I mean, it's not even comparable. And I ran out, so I had to ask my dad, because he's like the only one in Sweden that has a couple at his house. I was like, hey, could you send me a tub? He was like, it's $40 to send it to the US. I was like, I'll sell you $40. He was like, it's actually the full price amount of a tub, but the shipping here is just ridiculous. Anyway, but if you want to get your own, you know my personal discount code as always. It's in the description, and you're also going to find a link down there. So unfortunately today we're not going to mix this super juice that makes me superhuman, because I'm out. You can hear it's empty. God damn it. Let's see what we got today. I am the master of leftovers. I got leftovers, I got pasta, I got rice, but I also have eggs. I do have bacon, but I don't want to do, maybe. Are we, oh shit. Are we gonna be Americans and make eggs and bacon? I don't know. But what we're gonna do, I can't even talk, it's so early. I got ice cream. We're gonna make a little smoothie, and I'm cheap as hell, so I get the frozen ones, the frozen goods. And don't look down there, because those are waffles. Ridiculously unhealthy. I realize now I forgot to buy bananas. Look at this. All this is sauces. I have a little bit of a hard time making up my mind whenever I'm in the grocery store. And on this side, on the other hand, my OCD is too bad, so I can't really, there we go. Have to turn them, have to look nice. These pockets are a little bit too big for what's in there. Anyhow, so we're gonna get the blender. Gonna make some of that. Ooh, I forgot. I'm just gonna turn the lights on. I need to, look, all of these are empty. Those are empty too, actually. This is personal use only. I feel like a junkie. We're gonna mix some of the protein powder in there. We'll do this, and I'm gonna put the pan on the stove because it takes a little bit of time. And I've become Americanized again, so I'm using hand spray. Everything is so easy and just, I was gonna say self-service here. Is this unopened? Damn it. I always mess these up. Oh, shit. Again? I don't know why you make them like, really? I messed up this first end, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna go from the other end. Did I rip off the whole thing? It's actually still there, right on the edge. Look how nice it looks. Very inviting. I'm not a master of this. Mixed fruits, that's a little bit too much. And I got no strawberries whatsoever. There's like one strawberry in here, what the hell? All right, that's gonna be enough. And then my secret ingredients is actually a little bit of yogurt in there. I'll usually take about a spoon. Do a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. That's like 2-3 spoons. I was like, yeah, I usually take a spoon. Forgot to buy milk. I usually put a little bit of milk. Ooh, I have whipping cream to make me even more fat. Oh, this is so unhealthy. This'll do. 1 scoop of that. There was a little war zone going on in here with frozen stuff. It's just a shit show in there. Oh, now we're getting there. Lazy, already made pan spray. Don't have to do anything. Use a lot. So I usually make like 3 eggs in the morning and that fruit smoothie, which obviously isn't the healthiest in the world because it's frozen, but still it's fruit, so it's not bad. And we got the result of the 3rd World War in a mixer. It doesn't look so good, but it is good. I totally forgot. I was like, I put whipping cream in there and I was like, wait, it's gonna get so thick because whenever I don't want it to turn into cream, I just wanted milk. Let me see how good or bad it is. Oh my God, it tastes delicious, but it's thick as hell. I'm not doing whipping cream ever again. But it's delicious, it's just hard to swallow. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about what to eat and some health advice and tips. This is absolutely what not to eat. Well, the eggs are great, but the bacon is like your death. Like if you want to die sooner, have bacon. But I'm in America, so you know, I figured might as well make some. I know I said I wasn't gonna, but you know, times change. Literally 2 minutes go by and you kind of, it's really good though, but it's not good for you. But the eggs are great. And then I'm gonna finish the smoothie. I'm finishing the whole jar, and I'm gonna finish up with some iced coffee. And then we're gonna look at some car stuff in the garage. I actually went and changed to a black shirt, which is obviously freaking worse, but it's on there better. So I'm still gonna dye because it's Florida, but I'm gonna dye less. So that's look at all the sliders we have everywhere. This is what you do. I'm gonna dress like this. Again, it's Florida. Nobody wears shoes. But there she is. Won't you look at that thing? The only thing with this car is, well, the worst thing about this is it's black and black interior and it's freaking hot. So we're not gonna drive this today. But here, on the other hand, on this side, we got 2 little boxes and they're for that car. And I really want you guys to comment down below right now, what do you think this is? Write, I'm guessing, and then write your stuff. So I'm guessing, and then what this is. I think it's pretty obvious if you think about it. But anyway, so she's gonna sit in the garage. We're gonna start with this little bad boy right here. I think most of you guys know already what this is. If you don't know by now, what was that? Oh, it's just a piece of box. Uh-oh. Spoiler! I think I'm gonna set it down here. I don't wanna scrape it. Uh-oh. Well, that's bound to happen now. Look at this. So we have a little carbon fiber lip. Let me put you guys down over here. So first up, as many of you probably anticipated and expected, we got a little lip. But the thing is, I'm not sure if the fitment's gonna be good enough because this is not a OEM E63 bumper. But we're gonna have to drill holes in this thing. Damn, it's pretty thick. We're gonna attach it to there, and that's pretty thin. So that's the first one. I kinda wanna show you guys what it looks like when it's on there, but I think I'm gonna get some help from Chris on Thursday. It's Tuesday today. So I'm gonna leave this as is, and I do believe it's gonna look freaking ridiculous once it's on there. I think I need to raise the car up a little bit. I'm already dying in here, guys. There's like no air and it's hot as hell. I think I need to raise the car up a little bit because these are 19s and it's, I mean, I like the fitment as it is. Why don't you want to focus? There we go. And I am running spacers already. These are not supposed to be permanent, these wheels. Don't really love them, but they were better than what I had. They were awful. And I have like 20mm spacers on there. I kind of don't want to use more, but I would want the wheel to come out even more. The rears are fine. They're really, I'm gonna go on the other side because of the sun. Rears are really nice actually. But obviously also with spacers, but they're 9.5s and they're like 8.5s in the front. And I'm kind of don't want, I want 9.5s up front and like 10.5s in the back. But moving on, I mean, you already saw the first thing. What might this be? I am very positive that most of you guys already guessed it. It is a little carbon fiber diffuser. You know what? We're gonna try to set this up. I know I can use like a bucket or something. Try to get it on there. We're gonna grab this little fella right here. Alrighty, here she comes. I think this will be good enough if we can manage to maybe put that one and just slide it in. That's what she said. And then maybe just on the side, I don't know, really. Nope, there we go. Oh. If the bucket would stay, oh, perfect. Improvise, adapt, overcome. You can get a little hunch of what it's supposed to look like. Obviously that thing's gonna attach to there. Ooh-wee. They say that most people put these on with freaking double-sided tape, and they actually provided us with double-sided tape. I think, yep, it's in there. 3M. Feels a little sketchy. What you guys think? I mean, that's what they say they do, but it looks way better than OEM, or well, at least according to me. So I can't wait to put this thing on there. I put all the stuff back, and I think we're gonna, blood sugar. I think we're gonna head to Home Depot and get some parts, or some bolts and nuts. But yeah, this thing is looking great. So in Sweden, or any other cold country, it's very common, and I do believe that all of you guys know, hold on, it's a little crowded in here, that we run out during winter to start our cars and turn the heater on. I actually moved the cars around a little bit, and I started the car in the garage because it's so freaking hot, because it was parked in the sun, so you guys could get a full glance of the Mercedes. Let me just, hold on, let me just put this here. So yeah, I started the car, it's in the garage. We're gonna take this one because we really can't be driving the Mercedes in this heat. So we got to, we gotta go to Home Depot. Seatbelts on, GPS says 20 minutes. We're gonna get some bolts, washers, and nuts for that front lip. I might get some bolts, spare bolts for the rear diffuser too, in case I can find a place to drill somewhere where it's not gonna affect it too much and it's not gonna ruin it.
Hey, thanks for calling. This is Chris Davia with More Home. I'm unavailable right now to take your call, but please.
Every time. This Home Depot is actually a little bit dangerous, and I'm gonna show you guys why. Look at that, right there. That is the dangerous stuff. I think I might head in there once done here, because I have bad character, I think. Got it. I bought 10 nuts, 12 washers, because they came in packs of 6. I had to get 2. 6 times 2 is 12. You know my math, but I'm thinking 6, maybe 8 tops for the front, and then maybe 2 for the rear diffuser if we use any at all. I think we might sneak over there. Just gotta find my car. I don't know where I parked. I believe it was down here. Oh yeah, right next to the tree.
What kind of signature money? What can I make first?
Hi, can I get the Oreo cookies and cream shake? Don't know what fatty is. This is. I'm not supposed to do this, but it's so good. Finally, turning in here is this kind of like temporary parking, I'd say. Look at that thing. This was the best I could find for the time being. Why are we here again? Oh, we're gonna measure cylinders. That's what we're gonna do. He is beat up and dirty. We have a little situation where this deck right here is crooked. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty crooked. And I do believe that it is because this cylinder right here is longer than that one. And it might be the same thing with this one, and this one is actually leaking a little bit around the seal, as you can see. It looks like this cylinder is a little crooked at the end of it right there. We're probably gonna have to replace that one anyway. What we also need to do is jump in and start this and get the PTO going. What else are we doing? I think that's it. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start this one up, and then we're gonna get the PTO going so we can move the decks to measure. Let me see if I get in this. Oh, it's hot as hell. There we go. Before anything, we're gonna fiddle with the Jake brake. It's funny as hell. So what you want to do? You want to push the clutch down. I'm in my flip-flops. You want to turn this over. It's for the PTO. And then you want to release the clutch slowly. There we go. I think it's going. I'm just going to touch the first. By the way, this thing is straight putt, so it's loud as hell. All right, okay. So the PTO is working. Now I'm gonna set the camera down somewhere to see if I can measure everything. So I'm also trying to see if this one is not really. What? This one is getting stuck there. I think, there we go. Oh wait. That's pretty much as good as it gets. I think either the cylinders are uneven or that one just might need greasing up. That works perfectly fine. So what I think is we're gonna try to race it up. It's kind of scary because things might pop and burst. I'm gonna try, look at all these levers. I'm gonna try, get it up as high as I can. See what I can measure. Yeah, this is really bad. I think, oh, these are mine. Forgot them yesterday. But if we hop, wow. Yep, that's not good. Something is gonna pop or collapse, but I think this cylinder is shorter than that one. And the same goes for that. That one might be longer. Yeah, I'm gonna look into this way more, and I'm gonna take out the measuring tape, and I'm just gonna measure all the cylinders up and down, because you see the position 3 on the trailer is freaking, it's so crooked. I don't even want to walk on there. Guys, use my personal discount code. It's in the description. Thank you for watching.